In an invitation to the Kenyan government by the United Nations Security Council to present submissions on the request it lodged seeking the termination of the cases against President Kenyatta and his deputy Ruto at the ICC, Kenya's ambassador to the United Nations, Macharia Kamau, sought to have the UN Security Council make a statement that supports a timely and early conclusion of the cases against the three Kenyans at the Hague-based court. Ambassador Kamau was, however, quick to dissociate himself from any claims that he was holding brief for either or both the head of state and his deputy, clarifying that discussing the functions of the ICC and the operations of the Office of the Prosecutor should not be understood as an affront or interference or as holding brief for anyone. He says rather it is the exercise of the mandate as accredited members of the diplomatic corps espousing Kenya's role as a member state. And according to the ambassador, the issues being discussed were therefore political and have direct political implications for the state, peace and security in Kenya and her neighboring countries. If the issues we are concerned about are allowed to run unchecked, says the ambassador, they will undermine Kenya as the bedrock of democracy and security in our region and the noble objectives of establishing the ICC. Ambassador Kamau called on the UN Security Council to support the termination of the Kenyan cases, saying the council has some measure of political oversight over the implementation of the Rome Statute and the functioning of the ICC and any resultant consequences that might undermine democracy, peace and security. Jackie Maribe, Citizen at 1.